Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by reading the exact error message shown during the failed install. Note the message wording and any error codes for later reference. Next, confirm your device runs at least Android 6.0 and has 50 megabytes free storage available. Also check whether the Play Store shows Chrome as a disabled or system app. Finally, verify the APK file matches your CPU architecture, such as ARM64v8A, and matches your Android API level. The only reliable fix is to install the correct Chrome package for your device. First, try installing Chrome from the Play Store to get the matching package and signatures. If Play Store fails, clear Play Store cache and app data, then retry installation. If that still fails, download a matching ARM64v8A APK and install using the System Package Installer. As a last resort, use ADB install R with the correct APK and confirm installation completes without errors. After installation, open Chrome and confirm it launches and the version matches the installed APK. Check Chrome settings for the version number and test loading a web page. Set Chrome as the default browser to avoid conflicting installers or shortcuts. Disable aggressive battery optimization that may kill installs or background updates. Finally, keep Play Store auto updates enabled and maintain at least 50 megabytes free storage to prevent future install problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.